Alright, so you picked up your GoPro Hero 10 Black, you've got your memory card and battery installed, and now you're wondering how to format your memory card. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to format your memory card in your GoPro Hero 10 Black. It's really quite simple to do in the settings. If you are new here, my name is Ken, and this is Northern Biking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and it would really help me out here on YouTube. Let's go ahead and dive right into formatting your memory card on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So let's go ahead and show you how to format the memory card on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. I'm going to go ahead and turn mine on here. Now, one thing I should mention is when you format the memory card on your GoPro, you will be deleting all the videos and photos on your GoPro. So make sure you do have them backed up before you do this. There's no way to get them back. Now, once you've got your GoPro loaded up like this, if I actually swipe up from the bottom, I'm going to hit these dots in the corner, and you can see that I do have footage on here, and this is all going to get deleted when I format my GoPro. So we're going to go back out to our main menu. Now, to go ahead and format our GoPro, we want to swipe down from the top, and it's going to bring up one of our menus. But from here, we need to actually swipe from right to left. So we're going to swipe just like that, and another menu is going to come up. And we want to select the Preferences option right here. So go ahead and tap on Preferences, and it's going to bring you up the Preferences menu. And if we scroll through this menu, at the bottom, you're going to see an option here that says Reset. We want to go ahead and click on Reset, just like that. And once you've done that, there is an option right here at the top that says Format SD card. So we're going to click on Format SD card, and it says Format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. Now, if we click on Format here, again, we are going to lose all of our videos and photos, so make sure they are backed up. And we're just going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to start formatting our GoPro. Now, if you have a lot of footage on there, this could take a little bit longer. Mine's going to be pretty quick here because I only had a few pictures and videos on there. And it's already formatted. It's all done. So if I go back out here, we'll go back out to the main menu. And if I swipe up from the bottom, now you can see it says no media, and my memory card has been formatted on my GoPro Hero 10 Black. So I hope this video was able to help you format your memory card on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested, I have created an overview video of this GoPro with some sample footage. I will have that link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember to like and subscribe here on YouTube. Until next time, take care.